YouTube, people, what up? To my German friends, Guten Tag. Anyway, I wanted to make a video about friends. I have a lot of friends. I have a lot of friends on my personal Facebook, and I have a lot of friends on my like page. I have a lot of friends that I talk to, I have a lot of friends that I associate with, but I have a select few friends that I actually hang out with. Currently, I only hang out with 2 or 3, maybe 4 people at the most on a personal basis. But with that said, I have some friends that I don't associate with anymore. Why? Because as our friendship grew, I started to see things about them that I really didn't like. Not saying that I disrespect them or I don't speak to them. It's more like on a as seen basis. What I mean by that is, if I see you, I'll speak to you. But outside of that, I really don't have any association with you. That sounds mean. It really does sound mean. But, I believe that, friends are meant to build you up, not tear you down. So, and at my point in my life, I'm surrounding myself with people that are successful so I can be successful, or working towards being successful and have the same goal in mind that I do. Not saying that I don't have, friends that I just, party with or hang out with or whatever, but I'm all about building up. Each experience should be a stepping stone. With that said, I'll give an example. I had one friend that I grew up with, from, I want to say, middle school to high school. And we hung out all the time. But when he joked, he would tear me down. Maybe maybe that sounds ultra sensitive, and maybe I should have said something to him. But, I just laughed it off, It's my nature just to laugh off stuff. I don't like a lot of controversy, and I don't like a lot of problems or what have you. So, I just laughed it off and called it a day. But when, I would think about it, it really upset me. So, we were friends, like I said, through middle school, high school, hung out, whatever. We had some good times together. He was, for I'd say about 65%, 70%, it was actually, kind of alright. But, yeah, after high school, we kind of grew distant, and, I went off to school and did my thing and whatever else, and, I mean, now I see him, I see him now, every now and again, and it's, it's cool, but we don't hang out like we used to. And at first it bothered me, but, after thinking about it, it's actually kind of a blessing, because, like I said, I want people in my life that are going to build me up, not build me down. And me becoming an adult and being an adult and being a grown man that one day will have a family and whatnot, I want those kind of people around my family, not people that are going to, eventually tear them down too. So I'm not being negative. I'm not calling names. I'm not calling anybody out. I'm just saying that, I have a lot of friends in that same scenario that I don't really associate with anymore. So, if you look at my Facebook, yeah, I have a large number of friends, but there's only a handful that I really, really consider, tight, ride or die friends. And it's a blessing. I don't know how any other way to say it, but who knows? One day, I may have more friends in my little circle, but for right now, that's pretty much it. Just wanted to share my thoughts on friends, or in my personal experience with friends. Well, this is Mad Critic. Over and out.